Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites: Word open, document saved, and the correct citation style selected, APA, MLA, or Chicago. Once ready, go to the References tab and choose Insert Citation. Add a new source with the required fields. Fill author, title, year, and type precisely so Word can format automatically. This step creates a reusable source entry. It saves time later and prevents manual formatting errors, so complete it before moving on to placing citations in text. Now you place citations where you reference ideas or quotes. Position the cursor and pick Insert Citation from References, selecting your saved source. If details change, click Edit Source to update the record. Word updates every citation instance automatically. To reuse sources across files, open Manage Sources, copy items between the current list and master list, then close. Make sure to preview how in-text citations appear with punctuation and page numbers. Adjust via citation options so citations match publisher or professor requirements. Finish by generating the bibliography. Place the cursor where you want the list, then choose Bibliography or Works Cited from References. Word compiles entries in your chosen style. Once done, make sure to update fields. Right-click the bibliography and select Update field, so recent citations appear. If entries are missing or look wrong, verify the source fields and the selected citation style. Incorrect type or blank author/year are common issues. As a final tip, save and reopen the document to force Word to refresh citation links if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.